Hello everyone. So ngayon naman, I will teach you how to convert your Microsoft Word document into a PDF file. PDF means portable document format. So as you can see, I have the document from our previous tutorial. Ito lang gagamitin ko to convert this into PDF. So to convert, first you have to go to File, then Export, and then click this Create PDF or XPS button. So, as you can see, dito sa file type, naka-PDF siya. And then, let's just change the file name into resume. And then, so let's save it in this folder. Next, click on Publish button. Pag natapos na siyang ma-convert, you'll be presented with these options kung gusto nyong i-open yung file. So, the list here might be different sa list na nakikita nyo sa computers nyo. The main reason is that kasi iba-iba tayo ng mga naka-install sa laptops natin. So, in my case, ito yung mga choices, but I'll open it in Google Chrome. For sure, may Google Chrome yung laptops nyo. So, and I'll click on this option here and click on OK button. So, ito na yung PDF version ng resume natin. So, let's say mag-apply kayo ng work and you need to email your resume sa recruiter or sa hiring manager, then you can send this PDF file. So, let's check our file in our folder. So, ito na yung file na na-convert natin. So, that's how easy it is to convert your Microsoft Word document into a PDF file. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.